Hi, my name is Thomas Hanaho, and this is a screencast of my assignment, a 2D or a text-based engine. The purpose of this assignment was to understand basic principles of C++ and object-oriented design, and so basically what this screencast was supposed to do was that if I had a file with rooms and objects in it, I could read from the file and it used the game engine to play the game. Also, if I had another file with the same sort of format, I should be able to use both files equally the same. So I'll just show you what the game does right now. When you run the thing, it just outputs the first room. You can say go to room number, and I put the next room. Let's go back to the start. Go to room 0, and I'll go back to there. I can pick up objects in the room so I can say examine stick. Stick is in room 1, and it will give me a description. If I say pick up stick, stick has been added to the inventory. So I'll go to my inventory there, and stick is in there. If I say pick up stone, however, it says I can't do that because stone is in another room. So if I go to 1, that's where stone is, then I can say pick up stone. Stone hasn't been added to my inventory. Stick stone, inventory stick stone. Now that these items are in my inventory, I can use them to make another item. So use stick stone, and axe has been added to the inventory. So basically what's that done as it's just taken the two objects, and if they are pairable to each other, then the computer will basically you put them together and make another object, and the two objects are supposed to be taken away from your inventory then. So basically how this works is I had a lot more of the functionality of this game working, but then I had to go back and I lost the save file, and I had to, so if I say inventory now, stick and stone are still there when they shouldn't be, and axe isn't there when it should be, but what can you do? I think that's everything. Let me see what other functionality there is. Examine, pick up, go to inventory, use, open. Yeah, so if I go back to 0 and I type in open Warden crate, I think I spelled that wrong. You have opened the crate. Inside the crate was a stick. So basically that's gone to the crate object and taken what was out inside it, which was a stick. I'm just going to close that. That's basically the thing running. So basically how the code works is I initialized all my variables here. So here's my room variables. Here's my objects. I have a pair object, buildable object, container object, and a normal object. You can see here, and I have a room object. And then I add all of these objects go into all objects in game vector. I print out the current room, and then this is basically the functionality of the code. So basically, if the user inputs examine, do the following. This gets the following words and the thing and runs the code. If the user inputs pickup, run the pickup function, and so on and so forth in the code. This is just some old code here. Open is the same, and output error message. Basically, when you run the game, if you do anything wrong, then it'll just output that. Anything at all, it'll always output that. And it'll always just reboot so that you can keep on playing. Basically, every time you make an action, the game will search the objects in the inventory for a Ming vase. If the Ming vase is in the inventory, that means that you've picked up the Ming vase and you've won the game. And these are just my functions. And I'm running out of time, so I'll just quickly go show you here. These are all my thing. And I have used pointers and virtual methods for the objects. I think this is all the functionality now. I have overridden the equals operator as well, but I did not end up using that. Here's some old code, and probably the most complicated function to show you was joining the two objects together. So that's that there. Okay, I think that's everything. Alright, thank you very much.